briefly,
Yes.
that an offence and complaint of the victim, the offence under section 376, 370, 342, 328, and other sections of Goa Children Act,
Section 8 of Goa Children Act.
Children Act, and 3 and 4 of POSCO Act.
3 and 4 of POSCO.
POSCO Act. We have registered an offence against
Santa Cruz ML.
I wouldn't name anybody right now, against Babush.
Babush.
So the investigation is in its preliminary stage.
Montserrat, no?
As of now, the investigation is in preliminary stage. We are investigating, collecting evidence.
Who is investigating this? Crime branch or
As of now, PI Sudiksha Naik and a woman police station is investigating the case.
Has the medical examination been done or whether
It is going to be conducted soon.
What are the sections, sir? What are the sections?
I just mentioned
376.
the
victim is minor?
victim is a minor girl, and based on her complaint, which was given in the presence of CWC Child Welfare Committee members, the police was asked to intervene and register a criminal.
Have you just located the accused, sir? Have you tried to locate or contacted the accused?
Yeah, as I said, as of now, I cannot divulge any details as per what we are doing as far as the investigation is concerned. But I can rest assure you, we are working at a swift pace and we are doing whatever is needed.
So, just to clarify, it is a Babush Montserrat only, no?
As of now, whatever details I have given you is
Yeah.
as per the FIR.
Yeah. But there is no Santa Cruz ML, Montserrat. Yeah. It is,
I can divulge all these details after some time, maybe tomorrow.
but start we can say that Santa Cruz ML has been booked. Yes.
in the place of offence?
Sorry? As of now, I'm telling you, this is the only thing that I can
In the
divulge.
place of offence?
Sorry?
Place of offence?
Place of offense, all those things, right now I cannot divulge any such details. All those details I will not divulge as of now.
So is there any cross complaint against the victim? Is there any cross complaint against the victim?
How can there be a cross complaint? There is no cross complaint. The victim divulged this in front of the Child Welfare Committee at Apna Ghar. After that, it was brought to the notice of law enforcement agencies. So, as per the law, we have registered the case based on the complaint of the victim herself, and we are investigating the case.
Victim is from?
Any details about the victim?
Age and his age.
Victim is a minor.
Is she an
But
FRD?
age
She's 16 years.
Is she an FRD or not?
I cannot divulge anything as of now.
Will Babush be summoned? Will Babush student?
All those details about the victim, I would refrain from.
Thank you.
Because I'm not involved whatsoever in all the allegation that has been made against me.
Okay.
I only believe this is a conspiracy by someone.
Okay.
Because I am not at all even distantly involved in this issue. Someone has filed a complaint. I cannot say anything about that. Yes, sir, that's the reason I'm saying no, sir.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So someone has filed a complaint, but I don't have any I don't have any links or whatsoever as far as the incident is concerned. Whoever made an allegation against me, I believe it is a conspiracy by someone.
Okay.
It is a setup against me. Now, who has set up that I cannot tell you because I myself don't know.
Sir,
Someone to make such grave allegation against me for a thing what I have not done. If I have done something, I can say tomorrow I am a fellow who would say yes, I have done something. I made a mistake.
Okay.
When I have not done, that is the most saddening part of it for me is going that what I have not done, that I have got to answer for. Now I cannot say this is definitely a setup, by whom it is set up, then I cannot say anything.